सो हाय गाइस, ये है हमारे पास Realme 5G
8.
8. लेट्स ओपन इट। इसके साथ में पैकिंग काफ़ी अच्छी है। दिस इज इनवॉइस। ये मुझे पड़ा है 16,999 रुपये का, 17,000 का। सो दिस इज अ Realme 8। यहाँ आप जूम करके देख सकते हैं Realme 8 5G। Model name, generic name. So let's open it. देखते हैं क्या क्या आया है इसके साथ। Realme, a great story since the first leap. Okay. अरे वाह, इसके साथ आपको बैक कवर भी मिल गया है, ट्रांसपेरेंट बैक कवर। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। And these are the some documents: Realme quick guide, greetings from Realme mobile, and Realme safety guide. These are the some documents. And here we have the cell phone. So hey, what a pretty phone. Realme color looks very nice. This is it, first look. मॉडल है इसका RMX 3241। सेकेंड थिंग हो गई हमारी ये लेट्स दिस। इसके साथ में हमें अडेप्टर मिलता है, USB अडेप्टर Realme, और सप्लाई यूनिट। थर्ड थिंग, फोर्थ थिंग हो गई हमारी एक केबल। Okay, let's open. Yes, this is it. अच्छी खासी लंबी केबल है, it's a good length. So these are the things. To open it, just pushing the power button and have a first look. Realme powered by Android. Wow. English, select language. Okay, next. Realme smartphone user agreement. I have these are the some rules and regulations we have to accept. Then next. And terms of service. Okay, next. Connect to Wi-Fi. This time we haven't any Wi-Fi, so just skip the step. Wi-Fi assistant. Next. Google services. Okay, accept. Set unlock Method: password, fingerprint, face later. Hey, tap account later. Recommended auto update overnight. Next. Import data. Import from old phone. Import from cloud. Next. Personalize. Next. Welcome. Get started. This is it. Um, these are the apps we get from Google. Touch sensitivity is very nice, and what's the setup? So the setup as normal, and going for settings, about phone, Android version 11. So this comes with Android version 11. Pretty cool.